on, Bubba. Yeah. Mason, where are you going? Tell me, where are you going? What's Justin doing?
Justin, I want to show you something else.
Come on, Justin, be a gymnast. Get around the... Oh, man.
I can do that.
Want to go around?
Yeah.
Come here, Justin.
Where you going, Bubba? Where you going? Oh, no. Whoa. Get up. Get up. Get up. Thank you. Come on. Come this way. Come this way. Hey, guys, say hi.
Hi! Hi, Mason!
Come on, buddy.